The smartwatch world has been heating up year after year, and Garmin has once again stepped into the spotlight with a powerful new release, the Garmin Venu 4. If you've been following the wearable tech industry, you'll know that Garmin has long stood out for its rugged multi-sport watches, precise GPS accuracy, and advanced health tracking. But with the Venu series, Garmin has been targeting a slightly different market, those who want style and premium design, blended with serious performance features. The Garmin Venu 4 is the brand's latest attempt to refine that formula, giving us a smartwatch that doesn't just track fitness but also pushes deeper into health monitoring, lifestyle tracking, sports profiles, and smart features that rival or even surpass competitors like the Apple Watch Series 10, Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, and the Google Pixel Watch 3. But does the Venu 4 live up to the hype? And is it really worth its higher-than-expected price point? Let's take a deep dive into everything Garmin has packed into this new model. Compare it with previous generations and other market leaders, and see whether it truly deserves a place on your wrist in 2025. Garmin Venu 4. First impressions. When I first got my hands on the Garmin Venu 4, I'll admit I was skeptical. The marketing materials didn't make it seem like a massive upgrade from the Venu 3. The early press release highlighted only a few key features, and it seemed like Garmin wasn't pushing much innovation. But after actually testing and exploring the device, it became clear that Garmin held back a lot of information. In reality, there are dozens of new and upgraded features that didn't make the initial headlines. Features that transform how you use the Venu 4, not only for workouts, but also in your daily life. From a brighter AMOLED display to ECG functionality, lifestyle logging, enhanced GPS modes, and new accessibility tools, the Venu 4 is absolutely packed. Garmin has also unified its operating system across multiple new models, meaning updates and fixes will be rolled out faster and more consistently across their product lineup. Let's break down each of these features in detail. Display and build quality. Brighter, sleeker, and more premium. One of the first things you'll notice about the Garmin Venu 4 is its super bright AMOLED display. Garmin has used the same upgraded screen tech that you'll find on premium models like the Forerunner 965 and Fenix 8 Pro. Brightness outdoors, perfectly visible even in direct sunlight, making it an excellent choice for runners, cyclists, and outdoor adventurers. Smooth performance, touch responsiveness has improved, reducing lag when swiping between widgets or selecting options. 2 sizes available. The Venu 4 comes in 41mm and 45mm case options, making it suitable for both smaller and larger wrists. Design refinement. Unlike bulkier Garmin models, the Venu 4 has a sleek, modern design with a full metal case. It feels more like a premium smartwatch and less like a rugged sports tool. However, Garmin has reduced the number of buttons from 3 to 2, favoring a more touchscreen-first approach. Some hardcore Garmin fans might miss the extra buttons, especially for workouts where physical controls are faster than touch. The new LED flashlight, yes. You read that right? The Garmin Venu 4 comes with an LED flashlight built into the watch. This is the same practical feature we've seen on other recent Garmin models like the Fenix 8 Pro brightness levels. 4 levels plus a red light option. Practical use cases. Late night runs, camping, finding keys in a dark room, or signaling for visibility during evening workouts. It might sound like a small addition, but in practice, it's surprisingly useful and one of those hidden gem features. Lifestyle logging. Garmin's answer to Whoop. One of the most exciting new software features is lifestyle logging, now available to all Garmin users through Garmin Connect. This feature lets you journal your daily habits and track how they impact your overall health, fitness, and recovery. Examples include caffeine, intake, alcohol consumption, exercise before bedtime, screen time habits, stressful events, sleep quality. Over time, Garmin Connect will analyze this data and show correlations. For example, drinking caffeine late in the evening might reduce your HRV and affect sleep quality. Vigorous exercise before bed might delay your sleep onset. This is very similar to Whoop's journaling system, but now integrated directly into Garmin's ecosystem. You can log these habits both on the app and directly on the Venu 4, making it easy to update throughout the day. Health Status Dashboard. A unified view. Another new addition is the Health Status feature. Instead of scattering different metrics across different screens, Garmin has pulled together 5 key metrics into one: Dashboard heart rate, variability respiration, rate skin temperature pulse. Ox, this makes it easier to check your health at a glance and spot trends without digging through multiple menus. Competing devices like the Apple Watch and Oura Ring have offered similar consolidated dashboards, so it's great to see Garmin finally catch up here. Sleep features. Alignment and consistency. Sleep tracking has always been one of Garmin's strong points, and with the Venu 4, it's taken another big step forward. Sleep alignment tracks how well your actual sleep patterns line up with your natural circadian rhythm. It requires about 3 weeks of data to kick in, but once calibrated, it provides insights into whether you're sleeping at the right time for your body. Sleep consistency monitors how consistent your bedtime and wake-up times are. Inconsistent sleep schedules often lead to reduced recovery and poorer athletic performance. These tools aren't just about numbers. They help you build healthier habits over the long term. Garmin OS. Unification, faster updates, and bug fixes. Perhaps the most important upgrade, though less flashy, is that the Garmin Venu 4 runs on the same operating system as the Forerunner 965, Epix Pro, and Phoenix 8. What does this mean? Faster updates. When Garmin releases new features, the Venu 4 will get them alongside other premium models. Better stability. Bug fixes apply across multiple models at once, improving consistency, unified experience. The interface. Menus and features are more standardized across devices, reducing confusion when switching between models. This is a huge step forward for Garmin's ecosystem. Evening report and morning report. If you've used a Garmin before, you're probably familiar with the morning report, a quick snapshot of your readiness, recovery, and daily suggestions when you wake up. The Venu 4 introduces the evening report, giving you a summary at the end of the day. It shows steps taken, calories burned, intensity, minutes training, load stress levels. This helps you close out your day and plan for recovery. Multi-sport and mixed session mode. Garmin has also added a mixed session sport profile, which is especially useful in gym workouts. Here's how it works. Start with one activity. Pause at the end of the activity. Switch to another activity. Continue tracking seamlessly. This makes the Venu 4 much more gym-friendly, competing with fitness-first watches like the Polar Ignite 3 and Apple Watch Ultra. GPS accuracy. Dual-frequency support. The Venu 4 now supports dual-frequency GPS, a feature previously reserved for Garmin's premium watches. Benefits. More accurate tracking in urban areas with tall buildings, deep valleys, or dense forests. Real-world performance. Garmin's GPS has always been strong, but this adds an extra layer of precision for runners, cyclists, and hikers. Expanded sports profiles with around 80-plus sports profiles. The Garmin Venu 4 matches the Forerunner 965 in versatility, from traditional sports like running, cycling, and swimming to niche activities like paddleboarding, climbing, and skiing. There's a mode for nearly every athlete. Accessibility. Features. Garmin continues to lead in accessibility with 3 new features. Voice readouts. The watch can audibly announce the time and your key health stats using the built-in speaker. Health metric announcements. For visually impaired users, metrics like heart rate, steps, and activity progress can be read aloud. Color filters. 4 new filters help those with color blindness differentiate data on screen. These improvements show Garmin's commitment to inclusive design, ECG support, a first for the Venu series. Unlike the Forerunner 965, the Venu 4 includes ECG functionality, allowing users to check for irregular heart rhythms like atrial fibrillation. This brings it closer to Apple Watch in terms of serious health monitoring while keeping Garmin's advanced fitness tracking advantage. Battery life varies by size. 1mm version, similar to Venu. 345mm version, slightly reduced due to brighter display and added features, but still respectable. Expect around 8 to 10 days in smartwatch mode and several days with regular GPS tracking. Price and value, the controversial part. Here's where things get interesting. The Garmin Venu 4 costs $549, a full $100 more than the Venu 3. This puts it head-to-head with premium devices like Apple Watch Series 10 Samsung, Galaxy Watch Ultra, Google Pixel Watch 3 Pro. The problem? Garmin may have left a gap in the $400 range, where many consumers cross-shop between Garmin, Apple, and Samsung. The Vivo Active series covers some of that ground but lacks many of the Venu 4's advanced features.